if you want to go viral, do this thing in your video before uploading. Okay, now it's very tiring for you to make your own video and you find out that the video is not going viral. Now this is what you do. This is the help of AI. You don't use any title you feel like. Okay, now you enter your AI. And in my AI right now, you type of the kind of title you want to use. For instance, now you did a video, a tutorial video. Let's give it a title now. Give me a title. Give me a title with this word. Can you see it now? Let's click on it. Let's see what AI will tell us. Now look at what AI reply said. Look at it. Sure, what word would you like to use? Let's use tutorial video. Tutorial green screen effect. Can you see it? Now let's see what AI will bring. Just a little bit. Here are title with these words. Okay, let's see. Look at it. Master green screen effect, step-by-step tutorial for beginners. Can you see it? Look at the word that I put, tutorials green screen effect. This is not the suitable word. This is the word that when you use it, your video will go viral. Okay, now let's look for hashtag. Give me hashtag. Give me hashtags on this title. And this helps a lot in your video. If you start using this thing, you notice the differences in your video. Your video start getting a lot of views and your engagement will go high on your YouTube channel. That's my reason of doing this video, because some people doesn't understand how this works. Okay, now here are some hashtags based on this title. Look at it. Green screen, hashtag VFX, hashtag editing video, hashtag green screen tutorial, hashtag special effect, hashtag filmmaking, hashtag video production, hashtag chroma key, hashtag visual effect, hashtag editing tips, hashtag content creation. Can you see all these hashtags now? Now you use all this hashtag on your video and your video will go viral. That's my major aim of doing this video today. So in case of you have suffered to do your own content and little thing will spoil your own chances of getting views. These are the process you need to do for you to go viral on YouTube and other social media. You understand? So if this video is of help to you, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.